My dear students and parents, by God's grace, my educational videos are available in YouTube to 10th CBSE, plus 1 CBSE, plus 2 CBSE, NEET and IIT students in the subjects Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Zoology and Botany in English language. At this place, I want to say some basic informations. First of all, I want to express 1 mole in respect of mass, 1 mole in respect of volume, 1 mole in respect of number of molecules, 1 mole in respect of charge. If we express 1 mole in terms of mass, in 1 mole, 1 molar mass is present. In 1 mole, 1 molar mass is present. If we represent 1 mole in terms of volume, in 1 mole there are 22.4 liters of volume. If we indicate 1 mole in terms of number of molecules or number of atoms or number of ions or number of electrons, in 1 mole there are 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 number of molecules, atoms, electrons, ions, etc. You know that this 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 number is the Avogadro number. Then if we say 1 mole in respect of charge, in 1 mole 96,500 coulomb of charge is present. It is equal to 1 Faraday. Then we are going to express the definition of what is molarity, what is molality, what is mole fraction, what is volume percentage and what is mass percentage. Molarity, it is denoted by the letter capital M. Molarity is defined as number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter volume of solution. It means that in 1 liter volume of solution, how many moles of solute is dissolved. So that the formula for the molarity capital M is number of moles of solute by 1 liter volume of solution. The unit of the molarity is mole per liter. Then coming to the molality. The molality is denoted by the letter small m. The molarity is defined as the number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 kilogram mass of solvent. Note the word solvent. Here the solvent word has come in the denominator. It means that in 1 kilogram mass of solvent, how many number of moles of solute is dissolved. The unit of the molality is mole per kilogram. Then we are going to define the mole fraction. Mole fraction is denoted by the letter small x. Mole fraction is defined as number of moles of solute or solvent dissolved in number of moles of solution. It means that in how many moles of solution, how many moles of solute or solvent is dissolved. If we want to find the mole fraction of solute, we should take the number of moles of the solute. If we want to calculate the mole fraction of solvent, we should take number of moles of solvent in the numerator. It means that in how many moles of solution, how many moles of solute or solvent is dissolved. It has no unit. The reason is in the numerator also number of moles, in the denominator also number of moles, so that there will not be any unit. Then volume percentage. Volume percentage is denoted by V by V. It is defined as the volume of solute or solvent dissolved in volume of solution into 100. It means that in how much volume of solution, how much volume of solute or solvent is dissolved. It has also no unit. Then mass percentage. It is denoted by small m by m. It is defined as mass of solute or solvent dissolved in mass of solution into 100. It means that in how much mass of solution, how much mass of solute or solvent is dissolved. These are the basic informations we have to know to find the molarity, molality, mole fraction, volume percentage and mass percentage.